Hello everyone. So I was receiving a lot of DMs recently from people on LinkedIn asking me how should I optimize my LinkedIn profile and why should I optimize it? And that's actually a good question. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you why you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, and a few examples so you can have an idea about what looks a good profile looks like and a bad profile looks like. Okay, so let's dive in. The first thing, why you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. As you know, guys, people judge you by your cover. And on LinkedIn, your cover is your personal profile. And in business, people going to judge you fast and literally in seconds. So if you have a bad or not well optimized LinkedIn profile, people going to skip you. Secondly, your LinkedIn profile is your 24 salesperson. But here is the catch. That salesperson may be closing new deals and generating new leads or closing doors. A well optimized profile going to close you the leads and not well optimized profile going to cost you deals. Is that clear? And the third point, if someone go to Google and search about your name, the first thing that going to appear is your LinkedIn profile. If you have something good, well optimized LinkedIn profile, he's going to reach out and start a conversation with you. But if it's look like a scammer, he's going to skip it. Makes sense? So I'm going to ask you a question, guys. As you can see here, we have two LinkedIn profiles. The first one is mine, the second one is a random profile that I found online. My question is, which one would you love to talk to or trust? I'm sure you're going to choose the first one because it's well optimized, have a good banner, a profile image, a headline, this is a founder, so maybe has something to talk about, there is an opportunity. Okay, but the second one, it looks like a scammer, to be honest. I'm going to avoid this immediately, and I think you're going to do the same. Okay, so how we're going to optimize, how you should or how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So I'm gonna tell you something. Your LinkedIn profile is your landing page, so treat it like a landing page. And on a landing page, the first thing we're going to start with is your top of landing page. We say your banner and headline. In your banner, it should be clean, not fancy, but professional. Tell people why they should trust you and what you are doing exactly. Okay? Don't overly design it, use that fancy stuff, but keep it simple. The second one, which is your profile picture. Make it simple with a smile, something that show your real face. That's it. And by the way, guys, avoid those AI generated images. It looks fake. It won't help you out. Okay. For the headline, here is a framework I'm using. Tell them about your title. For example, if you are a founder, tell founder of Primus Click, for example, CEO of your company, CMO, etc. Then tell people your value. For example, if you are helping them to scale or with marketing, tell them exactly what you're doing. It will be better if you add a CTA, for example, DM me, so I'm going to help you. That's a great framework to use and it's working perfectly for me. The third one, which is your the about section. And here is the thing, I see a lot of people using the about section to tell people about their primary school and their subjects, and that's a fluff. Don't use it. Your about section is where you pitch. Okay, I see it like this. So talk to your ICP, tell them what to do, what are you offering with a CTA. That's how to chart your about section. And the third one, which is your feature section, this is literally where you generate leads. Put something like a lead magnet or your Calendly link, so people are going to book a meeting with you, etc. And the last one, which is the most important, is content. If I check it with your profile, it's well designed, well optimized, but when I look to your content, there is nothing or post from 7 or 6 months. So if you don't have a good content, people are going to avoid your LinkedIn profile. So that's for how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. I'm going to give you a few examples of good profiles that we actually did for our clients. So the first one, as you can see here, this is Devia, TEDx speaker mentioned in Forbes, etc. As you can see here, she has 2 slides profile. You can use this feature on LinkedIn if you have premium LinkedIn profile. She's telling people what she is doing, a trusted profile. And the second one, which is Ryan, great entrepreneur, is promoting his book, he's telling people why they should trust them, etc. The last one, which is a SaaS founder, is telling exactly people, he's solving the outbound problems, he's telling people again why they should trust them. So these 3 examples, by the way, you can find a lot of things like this on my profile. And that's it. So that's it for today's video. And by the way, if you need help optimizing your LinkedIn profile, you can reach out on my LinkedIn, and I'm happy to help. Also my team happy to help. That's it for today's video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.